So recently I was on a mentorship call with one of my students for CLAT 2026. Her name is Isha and she's a good student. She's been trying to do well. She's getting average mock test scores and I've been following her journey since she started the preparation. Recently in one of the calls she said, sir, I don't think I will be able to clear this exam this year and I feel too demotivated all the time. There is no motivation to study and she was in a full panic mode. And like a good human being, a good mentor, I asked her कि भाई ऐसा क्या हो गया? What just happened? You are धीरे धीरे करके कुछ तो improve हो ही रहा है. So she said कि sir, I'm willing to work hard and I think I am working hard also. But whenever I wake up every single day, I don't understand what exactly to do. When I go to sleep at night, I feel so much guilt in me that I don't sleep for good 2 hours and I keep scrolling my phone just to do away with that guilt. And I really feel dishonest with myself, with my parents ki I'm not able to study, I'm not going to do well if this is going to be my rhythm for this particular exam. She told me certain things that really took me to my preparation days also, where she told me, sir, मुझे ना हर point of time पर एक self-doubt रहता है when I start the preparation. There is that self-doubt where I start asking myself those questions ki, will I ever be able to cover my current affairs backlogs? What will my parents say if I don't clear this particular exam? What will my friends think of me? What will I do in life generally? DI ही नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा? Maths मुझे वैसे ही थोड़ा difficult लगता है. What do I do? What if I get different questions from what is maybe let's say taught in class or what I've solved out of that? And I think guys, you know, बहुत common insecurities हैं, which is not just in Isha's case, but it is in your case and it was in my case or in every CLAT aspirant's case who has prepared for this particular exam. Is not getting that motivation, not getting that right kind of system to prepare for an exam, and that really takes a lot of things away from us because अब रोज on your bed you go with that guilt कि आज नहीं हो पाया, कल से देखते हैं, है ना? This is the thinking that we all adopt. Multiple days pass, sometimes multiple months pass and nothing changes in the preparation और हमको पता होता है कि where are we in the preparation at that point. So if you guys also have this feeling like Isha had, very scared, very confused, very demotivated, I think I really like that word self-doubt when she said क्योंकि मुझे भी बहुत self-doubt होता when I prepared for this exam, right? I came from a very small town. I just wanted to, you know, prove a point to my parents, prove a point to the entire world, make things better for them. But there are certain things. It's not कोई मेरे emotional होने से exam नहीं clear होने वाला था. Exam तो exam को prepare करने से clear होने वाला था. So these sort of obstacles, these sort of self-doubt, demotivation used to happen in my journey as well. Let me tell you what did I tell Isha and what did I do myself in the preparation that really helped me. Very important thing for all of you to understand if you're facing this sort of problem is to start today. आप बोलोगे ओह बहुत ही अच्छी बात बोली, बहुत ही अलग बात बोल दी सर आपने, हमको ये पता था. Now what do I mean by start today? Let's first understand that, okay? Very important thing. आज की आज ही make a written schedule of what to want to do in the next 24 hours or let's say in the remaining part of the day. ठीक है? Have the guts to follow that schedule. ठीक है? बहुत लोग schedule बनाते हैं, follow नहीं कर पाते because of so and so reasons. Have the guts, have the maturity to do that. It is about your career, not anybody else's career. You will have to do it. And one very important thing for any exam like this to keep in mind is that you have it in you to clear this. It's just that you have to start believing it. Why go into the exam with such low self-prestige or you could say self-doubt as Isha said, right? Self-doubt हमें तब होता है when we actually channelize our energies a lot on certain things that is not controlled. This is something that we can't control at all. वो एनर्जीज दूसरी तरफ क्यों ट्रांसफर हो रही है? बिकॉज मुझे प्रेजेंट में पता ही नहीं है व्हाट डू आई नीड टू डू. सो अ रिटन शेड्यूल विल गिव मी दैट क्लैरिटी. आप हमेशा ये नहीं सोचोगे कि अब मैं ये पर्टिकुलर टास्क कर रहा हूँ, ये छोड़ के वो कर लेता हूँ, फिर वो छोड़ के तीसरा कुछ कर लेता हूँ. दिन भर में कुछ ढंग से हो ही नहीं पाया, एक भी टास्क ठीक से नहीं हो पाया. दैट इज अ प्रॉब्लम दैट वी नीड टू फिगर आउट. इट कैन ओनली बी फिगर्ड आउट व्हेन यू स्पेंड 10 minutes every morning writing what you need to do the entirety of the day. Now, when I say this, having a schedule, following it, I'm not saying it's going to solve all your problems. ठीक है? Problems रहेंगी, but आपको एक structured तरह से उस problem को break down करना तो आएगा. हर रोज जो problem बढ़ेंगी तो नहीं at least. Things will at least start to fall in place when you follow a schedule for a month or 2 months. That is how you clear an exam like CLAT. You don't have the exact right sort of books कि ये book है 15 chapter ये पढ़ के आ जाना. नहीं. This is not your school exam. This is a very different ball game altogether. We have to play with that sort of intensity also in an exam like this. So what your daily target has to be कि when I create a schedule, I follow it and then when I go to bed tonight, ठीक है, मैं वो गिल्ट के साथ ना जाऊं. देखो ऐसा नहीं होगा कि आप आज you could say you followed the schedule and आप सोने गए और आपको लगा ओहो मैंने तो सभी कर लिया. No. You will still feel that there's a lot to do every single day. Tomorrow again I have to follow the same sort of drill. बट जो आज के दिन में इफ आई कैन डू जस्टिस टू दैट पर्टिकुलर डे, डू जस्टिस टू माई कैपेबिलिटीज, that is where I become from a below average CLAT aspirant to an average CLAT aspirant, and from an average CLAT aspirant to a CLAT topper. It is a process, believe me. जिन लोगों को वो quick study tricks चाहिए, one shot videos चाहिए, this is not the exam for you. Try hotel management. Genuinely speaking, this is not for you. ठीक है, रियांश कॉलेज ऑफ होटल मैनेजमेंट में एडमिशन ले लो, वहाँ शायद कुछ आपका हो जाए, बट यहाँ पर तो CLAT is not the right exam for you. You have to become a part of the process and you have it in you to crack it also. बट इट्स समथिंग जो हर रोज करने पर ही होगा. मतलब इट्स नॉट समथिंग कि मेरे को लगे कि यार आज 6 घंटा, कल 4 घंटा, परसों 2 घंटा, फिर एक दिन 8 घंटा. नहीं, हर रोज 6 to 7 आवर्स, हर रोज 6 to 7 आवर्स. आपके पास वो एबिलिटी है, आपको बस वो जो डोपामीन हिट्स जो होते हैं कि थोड़ी देर रील देख लेते हैं, थोड़ी देर फोन चला लेते हैं, किसी से बात कर लेते हैं, कहीं घूम आते हैं, उन चीज़ों को थोड़े दिन स्टॉप करना पड़ेगा. कुछ ऐसे अनकंट्रोलेबल्स होंगे, थिंकिंग अबाउट द डे ऑफ द एग्जाम, द वेरी डे ऑफ द एग्जाम. व्हाट इफ इट डज नॉट गो वेल? व्हाट विल माय पेरेंट्स थिंक अबाउट इट? व्हाट विल आई डू इफ आई एम नॉट एबल टू क्रैक दिस एग्जाम दिस ईयर? है ना, व्हाट इफ मेरे को ये क्वेश्चन नहीं आया, वो एग्जाम में नहीं आया, व्हाट इफ आई एम नॉट एबल टू रिवाइज, पीपल आर डूइंग सो मच बेटर देन मी. प्लीज डोंट कंपेयर योरसेल्फ विद योर परफॉर्मेंस. अगर आपके पिछले मॉक में 60 मार्क्स आए थे, इस बार 62 आए क्या? If the answer is yes, you are doing absolutely fine. You're on the right track. Keep at it. Next में try करो 64 आ जाए. Just have this sort of a mentality. एक तो monster mentality वाला इंसान चाहिए कि कोई मेरे से कितना भी आगे हो, ultimately रेस मेरे को ही जीतनी है. I will ensure that I will do that. लोग बहुत अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट होकर भी इस एग्जाम को क्लियर नहीं करते और बहुत ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट होकर भी एग्जाम को क्लियर नहीं करते. You just need to have that confidence in your capabilities. जो चीजें कर रहे हो उसका रिविजन ठीक से हुआ क्या, उसकी प्रैक्टिस ठीक से हो रही है क्या? एक दिन में बहुत कम चीजें हो पाती हैं. Accept it. All of us are human beings. बट वो ऑर्डिनरी रोज जब ऑर्डिनरी हम ऐड करते रहेंगे तो इट विल बिकम एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी एट द एंड ऑफ द डे. राइट, दैट इज व्हाट वी नीड टू बिलीव, दैट इज व्हाट वी नीड टू डू. उसके अलावा इफ यू वांट आवर स्ट्रक्चर्ड गाइडेंस फ्रॉम एजुकेटर्स हु हैव देमसेल्व्स क्रैक्ड दिस पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम, वी हैव लॉन्च्ड अ कपल ऑफ क्रैश कोर्सेज नाउ कॉल्ड वर्चस्व प्लस एंड वर्चस्व प्लस. और नॉन प्लस बैच में डिफरेंस ये होता है कि अगर आपको बुक्स चाहिए विच इज यू कुड से साइंटिफिकली क्यूरेटेड बुक्स फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस एंड योर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट्स, वो हम आपको घर पे भेजेंगे. इफ यू डू नॉट नीड दैट, यू नीड 30 मॉक टेस्ट फॉर CLAT, you need 10 AILET mock test, you need complete syllabus coverage, all the strategy, more than 4,500 current affair questions, right? More than 1,000 to 1,500 sectional test questions. So that will give you a complete understanding of how to tackle this particular exam. That will never let you believe कि oh मुझे तो सब आता है, मेरे को तो सब हो गया. नहीं, we will definitely keep challenging you every single day. So let's keep it simple. Let's try to do this one thing every single day, is making a written schedule and try to nail it. Isha is also definitely trying it out for the last 7 days. You can start today and I'm pretty sure you have it in you to crack this particular exam. For this batches, you can always visit 12minutes2clat.com. You can contact us on these numbers. You can use my code MALPANI to get more discounts on these particular batches that are already very affordable. We also give you 100% refund of your fees. If you get an all-India rank under 300, this is called the Shakuntala Scholarship. We had more than 25 Shakuntala scholars for CLAT 2025. We're looking to add more to this particular system in CLAT 2026. All the best, guys. I'll save my classes.